Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to add someone on Telegram with QR code, and now let's dive right in. Now to add someone on Telegram with QR code, first open up your Telegram app and make sure that you have the QR code of that person. I have the QR code and I will save it to the gallery, guys. And because I have already added that person over here, I'll be redirected to the account like this. And with that being said, guys, in order to proceed to add someone on Telegram with QR code, you will be able to, or we will be doing this from two ways, either from scanning from the QR and barcode scanner over here, this app, guys, or we'll be scanning from the Google Lens on our camera. So let's proceed from the camera. Let's open up the camera on our phone. And after opening the camera, guys, at the left side of your screen there should be a Google Lens option available for you. Over here you can see just above the night at the bottom left corner of your screen, and let's tap on the Google Lens. And after opening the Google Lens, guys, you can simply upload that QR code which you had saved, or you can just scan it from over here. In my case, I will be uploading the QR code from my phone on the Google Lens. So to do that, at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the QR codes or the pictures that is available on our phone. Let's tap on it. And you can see, guys, the QR code will open like this. Let's tap on the QR code which we want to scan, and after scanning, guys, you can see Google Lens has scanned that QR code and provided us with a link at the bottom of the screen. Now either you can copy this URL and open it on Telegram, or you can directly tap on the website at the bottom left corner of the screen. I'll be tapping on the website, and with that being done, guys, it will redirect to a browser and after that it will also be redirected to the Telegram app, and the QR and the profile of the person whom you want to add on Telegram will be shown to you like this. Similarly, guys, that was from the camera. Now let's try it from the scanner of the QR code and barcode scanner, which is this one. You can get this app from the Play Store, guys. If you open up the Play Store and search for QR and barcode scanner like this, you can see that will be available for you at the top of the list on the Google Play Store, and I have already installed it. You might as well want to install it, and let's open it. And after opening it, guys, at the top of the screen on this interface, guys, you can see either you can scan that QR code by placing that QR code on the rectangle shape of the camera. I'll be just uploading it again as well. So let's tap on the picture icon at the top of the screen, just beside the flash icon. And with that being done, I'll be going to the photos, and let's go to the QR code which we had just saved to our phone, and let's open the QR code. And it has been scanned, guys. You can see the Telegram link at the top of the screen. Either you can copy it from over here, or just open that link from here directly, and you'll be directed to Telegram through a browser on that app. So let's wait for it to open, and you can see, guys, we have been redirected to that account through which I had generated the QR, or my demo account through which I had sent that QR code. And with that being said, guys, this is how to add someone on Telegram with QR code. After you have scanned it, guys, you will be on the profile section where you will be able to add them through the QR code. And then, guys, this is how to add someone on Telegram with QR code. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.